All right. In this case, we've got like a 10 of us. So I believe you booked about 1 hour of your time. So and we lost 25 minutes. I'm not gonna talk much, but I will try to jump up and show you exactly and just to reply to you exactly on a question we raised at the beginning of the webinar. I hope I will be able to see people who still admit. Oh yeah, we've got like a three more people. Um, 3 more people to join. Can you see the presentation right now? Yes. Thank you very much for texting. Okay. All right. All right then. Beautiful. Beautiful. So I'll make it. I still be able to make it. Irfan is coming back. Yeah, we've got 30 minutes left. I'll make it short and sweet and leave most of the time for questions. So basically what we're trying, okay, I'll leave my screen if I can do it right on another, just to see if it's possible for me to drag it. No, it's possible. Okay. Enable waiting room. No, disable. So everybody will come up exactly below participants. Play sound. Enable waiting room. Hide profile showing to join. Lock meeting room. Okay, I'll start. Sorry. Again, 30 minutes. 30 minutes. Sounds like a lot of time. So that was my plan. Again, thank you very much to join. For those who don't know me personally or whom I didn't contact yet via WhatsApp or like a LinkedIn, my name is MAKSA. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Biotech. Behind me is a team of 7 people. That's very small. We're very small. We're Dubai based, and what we're trying to do, we're trying to bring to make agri-tech people and farmers' lives easier. And how, I'll explain very short, very briefly, but mostly to demonstrate. The whole point is to demonstrate what I meant by this actually comment. That's a short reply on the question that we actually put at the title of our webinar, or how to improve semen analysis using MAKSA. First of all, MAKSA is a mobile assisted key semen analysis technology that we developed. We've been working on it for 3 years. Released the app in September, and since then we're looking for people who really want to improve that community globally, bringing new technologies, new tools to simplify some operations. And we're talking about just semen analysis. Animal breeding exists to produce more food, more milk, more meat in most of the cases, and success in breeding starts with semen assessment, which is locked in labs most of the cases, expensive and inaccessible. That's what we're trying to solve. We developed this technology and released the app. It runs on any smartphone, cutting costs by 10 times. Basically, what we're working on right now is to improve our model. It's a lot of technical challenges because the whole point is, which is you see right now, it's you put, that's pretty much works in every sphere, like a garbage in, garbage out. And I'll explain what does it mean. So basically, it's 80 people are united by one mission, is to replace labs by our app in terms of semen analysis, and to make animal fertility data accessible, reliable, and actually simple to understand for those who actually need it. As being said, we developed the semen analysis hub. It cutting costs of semen analysis by 10 times. And what we talking about technical challenges, what we see right now, and that's how we started 3 years back, 3.5 years back, working on this project, is you have, I mean, the industry has very beautiful and fantastic systems already exists. I mean, I'm talking about CASA, both like a fancy laptop and fancy microscope version they set up, or like even mobile one. However, we still, before we start, we like I talked like to 30 labs, and we heard the same, and we keep hearing that like the same. That's you need to have budget to purchase casa, you need to deliver it, you need to like install it, you have that this room like available for casa, and then you have to learn. And again, it works perfectly in most of the cases. It gives you 1000 parameters. However, to make field decisions on terms in terms of like using that like this particular sample, semen sample, you just need three: concentration, motility, and progressive motility, and that's how you make decisions. So we want to bring this data to you in your hands. And basically, what we are solving and what we see the problem, it's a huge capex. You need about, I mean, $30,000 for medium lab at least, and then OPEX. And that's how actually big tech companies work. They earn a lot of money through OPEX, and I'm talking about Casa Slice particularly. They're essential, but that's what we like are solving. You don't need CAPEX to start analyzing semen. The whole idea is for you like to give a chance to use what you already have. You have this like you have a smartphone for sure. You have any microscope available. You have very simple like a lab slides with cover slips. Not you don't need like to buy uh, fancy and separate equipment to get this analysis and to get these parameters in your hand. And that's what's happening. We save you a lot of money. We want to keep the price per semen assessment as low as possible, which is like a $1 per test if you analyze like a 10,000 like a simple, or $2 if you just analyzes if you analyze like 1,000 semen samples like per year. Very straightforward. Use what you already have, pay just like a pure analysis, and that's it. How, again, it's very clear. CAPEX and OPEX. And that's how I came up like a really frustratingly to the demonstration. And I will connect my mobile phone like you see that's a very like a simple setup, simple microscope. I'll turn it on, but before that I will try to connect my home screen to oh, it's connected. It's supposed to be connected. Yes. And I will switch sharing the screen. And you please let me know like if it's happening. I'll switch it to you should see my screen, correct? Please text me. Yes, I got yes. That's beautiful. Let's come back to this. So basically that's the interface. Like you see me, I don't know, like you just probably see just my home screen, but that's what's going on. That's what's happening like right now. We will try like I'll try to organize. So This is a simple microscope. We've got this like a mount device. It's cost like a $50, and it allows you like to move your phone like a back and forward. So what I'm turning on my I'll switch like to video side, and I will try to pitch up this on. I need to go up. I need to go up, and I need to go left a little bit, and I need to adjust some sort of. But basically, that's what you are doing in the lab, and what we are asking like to do you. And okay. I've seen it. Yes, here we go. Um, this is a CASA slide Dubai Camel Reproduction Center uses for their camel semen analysis daily. And I just like I came back from them. Yes, I mean not yes, last week. So that's why like there's like no movement at all. So I just got the slide to demonstrate it to you, which is critical. And we will go like through the steps is to have 200x magnification and to see at least like this one. This picture shows exactly 200x magnification. That's the first and very vital point, like to see it. The next thing we are asking you to do it, and in the future you will not need to do it. But as for now, I'm asking you just like to zoom in, and keep it clear focus at least 2x, which is optical one. And the reason behind that is, as we don't need custom slides, we calculate the field of view and actually the volume field of view based on the physical size of semen you are recording. That's how it's happening. Even the depth, yes, it's very important to know like not just the square of it, but the depth, and then you know the volume, and then you can transform the number of cells detected into their concentration properly. So to do it properly, as we don't know, like again, you're gonna use the very normal slide, and that is the whole idea, and that's what we're like working on. Is just like to get this like a 200 magnification at least, or even 2.5 and 3 depends like on your phone. So it's maybe like a 3, and keep it very clear like this. Yes, beautiful. Now we can see it. They are like coming towards north. Then what we ask you, just record like a 3 seconds video. Here we go. And then we go to our Biotech app. You pick up the semen analysis software. We pick up the species you are testing with. Yes, we're working on changing your user's experience as well, but that's how it realizes so far, and that's why we call it like a pilot project. We've received like a many feedback about this. This is a very critical point, the dilution rater. So it's like a frozen thawed semen, you put 0. If it's a fresh semen and you use like I don't know, like a 5 mils of extender or media, any media, just to dilute 1 milliliter of semen, it means like a 1:5. So your dilution rate is like a 5. So you have to like a 1:5, but you just like put 5 here, and I'll sum up a little bit later. So you put like a 0. We continue the test, and then you've got the success like to your videos recorded. And here we go. Oh, error. Very nice. Let's try it one more time. Error. Please retake the video. So, let's get back and record a new video. Hoppa. Boom, 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 boom. 1, 2, 3, go. We'll come back to our Biotech app. Unfortunately, we need to put all the information back to this. Let's make it as a frozen semen pumped. Mhm. The first one, like I didn't like you. We did the same in analysis so far. So you see, like that is like some of the reports I demonstrated. Just like I analyzed some semen just to demonstrate how the simple work. But that is just the demonstration that all the protocols. We keep it like for you here. You will have access. You can even upload and send it like to anyone. Just again like as a demonstration to yourself or to like any specialist with the video actually recorded. So by the way, the analysis is done. So what we see, it found like an objects and it gives you concentration and progressive motility, which is 31% on that semen. And we know like this issue, so it's totally fine. Don't worry about it. Like we're working on it, and uh, we'll be able to release a new model with a fixed like this bag issue. I believe by the end of the year. I hope so. So total objects, concentration, progressive motility, non-progressive motility. That's pretty much that's it, and that's what's happening again in this like a application in this like a software. So phone screen visible. Yes. Do you have any questions? Please unmute yourself while I'm on this stage, and like what we can do, and like what should I do like in this case, like have any questions, um, please ask right now. Unmute yourself and just ask questions like right now. So we would be able like to fix and to play with the app and with the magnification and like with the slide around. So what would you like? No questions? Oh, sorry. It's black. Uh, okay, if there is no questions, oh, please don't hesitate to interrupt me. Unmute yourself, ask immediately, or text if you don't want to just like pronounce it. I will jump on this question immediately. But coming back, so and again, like I will come back to the web if you need it, but let me come back to the presentation itself. You should see it right now. Can you see? I will wait for your reaction.
I just had a question or query, Dr.
Yes.
Kaushik here from India. So basically, we do artificial insemination in cattle and buffaloes here. So we have semen straws available with us, and multiple times failure of breeding occurs due to faulty straws. So for such frozen semen, can we use this technology?
Yes, absolutely. And that's actually the whole idea. So to check the semen straw at least before you do insemination using just 5 milliliter microliters drop to have to give you a chance to know like the quality of the semen you are using right now. So it may sound a lot. So what I've heard, 5 microliters out of the straw, which is like a like a 25 microliters volume, sounds a lot like a 20% of it. But what's the point to use that semen? So in this case, like I mean, the chances to get the pregnancy and conception are really low. Answering your questions, yes, you can use it on frozen and fresh semen. Like for frozen semen, the dilution ratio is 0. For fresh semen, it depends on how much you actually diluted it. But yeah.
Correct, got it, sir. And the second benefit which I think the app can give is in India, there are many farmers who are interested in sorted semen. So in that case, there is the number of live sperms and all those things are also less. So in that case also we can help to monitor the condition of the semen straw for sorted semen, which are expensive also, and farmers want the sorted semen to be used also.
All right. All right. Yes, yes. Seems like you can, but I mean, saying like expensive, how much does it cost? I mean, if it's not a secret, like the range.
In case of normal traditional semen, it costs 200 Indian rupees to get insemination done. But
Mhm.
for sorted semen, it goes like 2000 Indian rupees.
All right.
So
Which is about how much? $20 then?
uh, say 80, 90 rupees is $1. 90 rupees, say 100 rupees is $1. So
Okay,
like
so
that.
it's about if you say like it's like a 2000, which means about like a $20. Yes,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah, correct.
That's the whole point. I mean, well, let's talk about money again. You spend $20 on semen, the quality you don't know, but you actually know this. So you've got this certificate with this semen, which is good. However, you don't know like how long did it take for the semen to arrive like to your facility. And as far as I understand, and what I've heard like from professionals, even like a zero point 0.5 degrees of the level of nitrogen in the tank is a little bit dropped. So you can easily damage the semen. It can be done like this. And the whole point is to give you a chance to invest or like to spend 10% of the semen cost, which is $2 or $1, to make sure that the quality is enough, or the chances there are like still good chances for insemination, which means like let's talk about it. You've got a straw, like a $20 semen straw you spend already, and you're gonna use it. What about like to spend one more dollar to check the quality of the semen? In case if it's good, you are pretty sure that you will get the pregnancy. So, or if something happens afterwards, like a no conception, non-pregnancy, you will at least know exactly that the semen was good, and the problem is on another area, maybe like recipient health or something else. But if it's bad, you've got $20 spent. You already purchased it. You spent like $1 and the semen is bad. So you have to, and you have a chance to reimburse $19 from the like a producer of the semen saying it's bad. Like you deliver it like to me, the bad semen, and you save a lot of time for yourself and money again directly. So you are returning back this like $19. Hopefully you will manage it like with the producer. And then you just don't wait like for 30 days like to confirm the pregnancy. And then you don't have to for another month or 2 or 3 to get back your cow to this fertility cycle. That's in total more than $90, maybe 100, maybe two. Like in Texas, we've heard it's like a $300 to $500, like to get back the cow to a fertility cycle, which means it's not 19x ROI, like return on investment. It's like a hundreds. So you save a lot of time, but like money, first of all, maximizing your livestock outcome. I'm talking about offspring in this case. That's why
That's
sorry, it was like
perfectly.
a just yesterday discussion with one of the guy from Brazil, and he asked me like, what's the financial profit of like using? So I just like shared like my dialogue like with him yesterday. There is a question, is there a certificate issued by the application? Yes, there is a report, like a fertility report, and I demonstrated it to you. There is like a top right corner, and you can click on it and just share it like immediately with yourself, with like whom you purchased. But basically you have a report or like a certificate of the analysis, and you can use it the way you see. Any questions? And I hope, I mean, I'm sharing the presentation with you, yes? Mm, yeah, please let me know if, and it's supposed to be a presentation. Ask any question again, like on the way, but like I'll keep going, just like to make it short and sweet. So basically, we are asking before you make and before you use our software to have 200x magnification, to make a smartphone zoom, which is like 3 to 4. And again, the reason behind it is to properly calculate the volume of field of view and to calculate the concentration. Alignment of eyepiece and your smartphone, it relies basically on the device you're going to use, but that's supposed to be just like a center of it. Dilution rate I explain, and I will show you like what it means. And like we recommend like to use 5 microliter semen drop because like when you what we see, and again in 80% of the cases that's enough. Just like when you put a cover slip on the slide, it's enough like to fill up the whole volume of this. So in this case, you can move slide on the microscope here and record it like a few field of view areas to make a video and then like calculate, I mean, just to compare results. That is a dilution rate. If it's like third semen, it's 0. It's like if you use like a 19 microliters of or like milliliters of extender to 1 milliliter of semen, please put a dilution rate as 19. It's very important as well. But basically, that is the main. That is answers on the question we asked at the beginning, and that's like we put to the title of this webinar, like what to do. Please make the proper semen video. Of course, like we know we know how to make your life easier, but it takes time because like it takes time first of all, and a lot of resources to make it more universal. So we keep educating, keep training the software. So like at some point it will be just a universal tool to certify semen quality worldwide. This is a dilution. This is examples of videos we've received so far. So basically, the pilot projects are ongoing in 8 countries right now. So it's US and Canada, Brazil and Argentina, India and Pakistan, yes, Nigeria and Australia. Now Spain and South Africa are in the line to start it. But I mean, just in examples on how like what not to do. Like this is a very clear blue screen and the person actually like recorded from the screen, the like the video, it will not work. I mean, this screenshot like that looks better, but a little bit more zoom. Yeah, that's what we're asking for. In this case, you see, so this like an image will not work perfectly because it's really hard to detect it. That's a little bit better. That's like a better, the better case for sure. Again, screen. Please don't record like any video from the screen. That is a proper magnification. And again, if you can make it like more clearly visible, you will get the better results as well. And again, this is a champ so far, but like to record not just the video, a screen share, but the piece of the lab, which is very beautiful. But even in this case, our software like tried like to analyze and found some of the objects. Of course, like it can be used. I mean, like this result can be used to proceed. But the point is the software actually try to do it. Again, this is like these are the main rules. At the beginning, I told you that we actually save about $26,000 per year for a lab that does about 10,000 insemination or like a 10,000 semen analysis per year. We will share, so there is no chance for us like to go deeply into this table, but we will share with you a PDF file which is named as a total cost of ownership. When we buy something, we pay like the money immediately. However, total cost of ownership means like how much you will pay in total, not just right now at the point at the moment like you purchase this equipment, but in total. So we calculated it for you. Please don't hesitate to correct us, to share your comments where we've made mistake or it was right actually, and we even like didn't add enough, so the savings are even more. The question for you is actually what you can do with like and where would you invest this saved amount of money? Based means mainly on not buying very expensive consumables and using what you already have in your hands. That is again very technically it's almost, I wouldn't say impossible, but it's a very complicated technical task to have different smartphone, different microscopes, different slides with cover slips, with different semen, different viscosity, and like for different species, many different things in one equation, which is at the end should bring you this final results, and you should rely on it, like on this data. But we are working on it. It's possible. We are proving it. It already works again, like in 8 countries, and at some point it will like work worldwide. But and my I encourage you to share your feedback during this pilot. And if you are not in this pilot project yet, please join us. Please share your feedback. You are the specialist. You are helping us like to structure this tool properly, to make it available to any vet or any embryologist or any farmer worldwide, to get this piece of very niche but very important data before they do something like with this biomaterial sample. That's pretty much that's it from my side. So I really encourage you, and I want, first of all, that's how I actually should start it, to say thank you for joining, to finding the time, to patiently wait until we solve these technical questions, technical issues today, and even like reconnected. Thank you very much. Really appreciate it. It matters like for us a lot. Please, any questions? I spoke enough. Any questions? Maybe to repeat something like I was testing, or so basically, I would. I would react on your questions. So yes, I see. The first one, does the analysis include percentage of distortions, color, concentrations, the movement is forward? It works as a screening test. The fertility report will provide you with 3 information parameters: concentration, motility, and progressive motility. Progressive motility means like how fast they actually move forward. Yes. Color, I don't know what is that. The percentage of distortion, no, it's not included yet. How many types of semen? How many? No, how many types of semen? Which semen? I don't see this. Which semen best for cow and buffalo? You tell me, I'm not professional. Which semen best for cow and buffalo? No, unfortunately, I cannot reply on this question. Yeah, what we do, we give you a chance to have this data in your hand, animal fertility data in your hand before you go to the next step. But which is better? It's probably talk to a consultant or like a vet specialist who are dealing like in your region. So I would recommend like to ask these guys. So any questions? Any questions? Can we see a copy of the certificate? Yes, sure. Yes. Dr. Fadia, yes, I will not like yeah, we will share it like with you. But as soon as you install the software, the app, and try like to use it, you will get a chance. Like it's very clear. Like as soon as the analysis is done, you will see and you can share. But we will share like this fertility report with you. Yes, you can unmute yourself and yeah and ask questions. Again, thank you very much. I hope if you're not involved in our field tree like a program, you will be right now. Please text me. This is my WhatsApp number. I'll text you 506 775 maximum. Maximum. So here's my number. Please contact me. Please text me, and we will find like and we will organize. We'll happy to organize this pilot. Again, it's happening. We've got like a 30 pilots. We completed the first project in Nigeria just yesterday, and we're gonna release it very soon. There are like about 10 to 15 pilots are happening in India and Pakistan right now. We'll see who's going to be first, like from this region. But yeah, thank you very much for joining. It's like 11:30. We agreed like to make it within 1 hour. Uh, so I really happy. I'm happy for you like to join, and I wish you the happy Friday. It's actually a blessed day. To continue and like to spend like with your family this time. Thank you very much. I'm gonna like finishing like